Hi everyone. Hope you are fine. Let's have a talk about the best NAS, network attached storage, to buy. Before start the video, subscribe our channel, also click on bell icon to notified for our upcoming videos. KNAPP TS251A. The KNAPP TS251A is a dual bay, front accessible, box that features an Intel Celeron dual-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, twin Ethernet inputs, a slew of USB ports and an SD card slot for quickly copying files directly to the box. It also has HDMI support on the rear of the box, which allows 1080p videos to play directly from the NAS to an HD TV. There's added support for HD video transcoding, plus DLNA and AirPlay, iTunes, streaming. Popular services such as XBMC and Plex's media server provide third-party support to help move media directly from the NAS to a media playing device, including a smartphone or tablet. Additionally, the TS251A supports the Roon streaming service, priced separately, which upscales nearly any type of audio file to near studio quality. You can even attach a USB TV tuner and record cable shows or decode and transcode 4K H.264 videos. Beyond multimedia, the KNAPP performs exceptionally well as a traditional NAS with good RAID recovery, remote access, and powerful virtualization capabilities. Synology DS115J. If you're running on a lean budget, the Synology DS115J offers both sharp looks and good performance at a welcoming price tag. The DS115J provides both an easy way to automate simple tasks or back up your multimedia files for later playback, all while accessing everything from Synology's smartphone apps. Options such as Cloud Stations and Cloud Sync provide quick and easy access to files across multiple devices, including cloud services such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Fortunately, once these files are loaded onto the NAS, Synology provides a simple backup solution with file protection to back up everything to another NAS, a cloud service, or a separate external device for redundancy across the board. With capacity up to 8 TB of space, hard drives sold separately, there's still plenty of room on this budget all-star for added services such as 24/7 home surveillance with Surveillance Station, which allows an owner to view and monitor live streams on both desktop and mobile devices. Western Digital My Cloud EX2. For personal use, the Western Digital My Cloud EX2 Ultra Network Attached Storage is the king of the hill. Available in a slew of storage options, the high-performance dual-core processor and 1 GB of RAM combine to provide outstanding performance for both media streaming and file transfers. The 2-bay unit creates a mirrored backup of all your personal computer files and folders utilizing RAID configuration. For a consumer box, the inclusion of RAID technology is both notable and welcomed, and, when combined with Western Digital's user-friendly operating system, it's an overall enjoyable experience. Backups can be scheduled or synchronized across computers, and My Cloud devices mean that even if you miss a manual backup, you're still covered. Additionally, the My Cloud makes it easy to share files publicly by creating a private link that can be user-limited or can allow full access to anyone with the link. Streaming media fans will love the inclusion of Plex Media Server, which allows quick and easy support for sharing files directly to a PC, smartphone, or gaming console in its original uploaded quality. Add in extras such as Mac and Windows compatibility and 256-ease encryption, and you'll find plenty of reasons to grab this backup device for all the peace of mind you need. Synology D216-2 Plus. While this is a standout 2-bay device, there's no included storage out of the box on the Synology D216-2 Plus, allowing you to choose your own drive capacity and speed. The swappable drive tray design offers easy installation and care while allowing terabytes of data to fit neatly in your pocket over the cloud with Synology's mobile app. With built-in 4K Ultra HD video transcoding, the DS216-2 and is as much a multimedia machine as it is a 24/7 security solution with intelligent monitoring and video management tools. Extras include advanced file management between the NAS and your computer, Cloud Sync for connecting to a slew of popular cloud providers, as well as a well-designed software interface for managing all the above. The lack of Ethernet and HDMI ports is notable, but is easily overshadowed by its integration into a business environment with admin support for monitoring and controlling access to files and folders. Western Digital MyCloud EX4100. Western Digital's MyCloud EX4100 and its 8 TB of storage space offers up a wide set of possibilities for home storage options. With plenty of room for photos, videos, music, and files, the EX4100 helps protect your content with multiple RAID options all the way from RAID 0 to RAID 10. Powered by a Marvel Armada dual-core processor and 1 GB of RAM, transfer speeds are excellent at a maximum of 114 MB/s upload and 108 MB/s download. The speedy performance will come in extra handy with Plex's media server, which allows EX4100 owners to stream videos, photos, and music directly to a PC, smartphone, game console or other capable media player. Families can make use of collaborative sharing, where everyone can access all their most important files and folders in one place. In addition, the EX4100 is also ready to help protect the home with Milestone Arcus surveillance software that provides live feeds and records video with separately purchased cameras. KNAPP TS831X. The KNAPP TS831X NAS is an 8-bay, quad-core storage solution for holding all the data you'll ever need. Protected by various levels of 256Es encryption and RAID 0, 1, 5, or 10, the TS831X is a fantastic combination of both protection and performance. The included 16 GB of storage might not sound like much, but when you allow for scaling up to 24 drives using KNAPP's expansion enclosures, you can create more than 400 TB of total storage overall. Powered by an ARM Cortex-A15 processor and 16 GB of RAM, the KNAPP excels at writing data at up to 1900 MB/s read and 770 MB/s write speeds. Even when active with ease 256 volume encryption, read and write speeds still shine at 436 MB/s and 334 MB/s, respectively. Beyond performance, the TS831X includes 2 built-in gigabit Ethernet ports alongside 2 10 GB SFP and to support faster high-speed networks that offer higher bandwidth for virtualization software. With built-in disaster recovery and a slew of business-ready features for deployment across multiple types of business functionalities, the TS831X is truly the storage king. Synology DiskStation 5-bay DS1515 plus 5300. If you're not on a budget, the Synology DiskStation 5-bay NAS device is your go-to choice for all the security and power you'll need. With a max disk space of 30 TB split among 5 drive bays, it's unlikely you'll ever need another NAS. And with an Intel Atom quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM, it's more than powerful enough to keep up with demand. The tool-free design keeps each drive bay firmly in place without the need for screws while still securing each drive well enough to avoid accidental pull-outs. The NAS includes 4 USB 3.0 ports and 2 eSATA ports to connect external storage devices for even more drive space. With 5 drive bays working in tandem, heat can be an issue, but Synology helps mitigate any increase in temperature with 2 standard ventilation fans similar to models found in desktop computers. Like the rest of Synology's NAS products, the web interface is both robust and capable of working with both Mac and Windows hardware.